What's up, guys? This is types of aux cord users, so make sure you guys click that like button, click that subscribe button, and let's get right into it. Bro, here's your aux cord. Oh, thanks, man.
I eat cock-a-doodle-doo chicken. Yummy, yummy.
Bro, you're so weird. What do you listen to?
5 seconds later.
I eat cock-a-doodle-doo chicken. Yummy.
Jamie on the beat, boy.
Okay, here we go. The best part.
Jamie on the beat.
Bro, what is this? Bro, get out the car! Get out the car, bro! Oh, the aux cord here. Thank you.
I hate black people. Black people suck. Yeah, they're stupid. I hate white people too. Yeah.
Here's the aux cord. Thanks.
What? You punch it.
Bro, get out the car! Bro, no! Yeah, get out! I hate this song, bro. It's the worst.
Tears of sadness going down my
Ow!
I don't care how turn around and die. Turn around and die.
Yeah, die. Yeah, I want you to die now. Turn around and die. You die. Yeah, die. You kill it. Turn around and die. You die. Turn around and die.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you guys liked that video. Click that like button. Click that subscribe button. But when we were making this, we did not start up the car or anything at all. So yeah, make sure you guys click that like button, click that subscribe button, and until next time.
I don't wanna waste another second of your time because it's precious. Can we down and sip some wine? All you need to be is present. I don't mean to be aggressive. What I see is so impressive. Are you down? Cause I'm in town. That's all I need is dress. And I pull up, open up the passenger door. This is chivalry, is that I brought it back for more. If you like, I'll take the jacket off my back and sword. So let me stop and get some gas. We got a map.
Warning, the car was not moving or on at any time of this video, and my mom was monitoring me. Do not try this at home with a car on.